Hi friends, welcome to a Motivational Monday video. I am in my bathroom right now because my son Sean is out in the living room with his friend playing video games, and I don't think you guys want to hear all that jazz. No, don't want to hear it. So I don't know why the lighting is like really weird on this video right now. Like in here, it looks great. On the camera, not so much. But I want to tell you, I am wearing this lipstick. I'm wearing this lipstick that I got from the Dollar Tree that I really like. So, yay. It's like a really pretty nude brownish color. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys something very embarrassing. My carpet has gotten so bad that I probably shouldn't even show you guys, because I probably will get some comments that are just like really rude and disrespectful. But not from my valued subscribers though. You guys are awesome. But like some other people just come on in and want some motivation, and they're like, oh geez, her floor is dirty. Well, let me tell you guys, my mom was using the shampooer. I didn't get it back for a while and my floor got really bad, like really bad. Riley spilled a bunch of stuff and I just honestly didn't get around to cleaning it. I have a handheld shampooer, but I mean, life happened. I got busy. I work now too. And yeah, I mean, I've been really busy with other things, so I just honestly just disregarded my carpet. But you guys will see that's how it is, because the carpet's really bad. So I'm really excited to show you guys, and nervous to show you guys, how bad the carpet is. And also I'm going to clean my laundry room. I don't really show you guys my laundry room much just because like the angling is really weird in there. Not much room for my tripod to go into. So I tried my best to do a cleaning video for you guys. It is pretty dirty and it needs cleaning. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw this in with this video, because I want it to be more than just a carpet cleaning video. And I want to give you guys something that you guys haven't really seen much from me, and hopefully it'll bring you guys a lot of motivation. All right, guys. So let's just get to cleaning, and hopefully you guys don't hate me and unsubscribe from me from how bad my carpet looks. All right, guys, let's get to cleaning.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car, nothing can break.
Hey, Riley. Say hi.
Lolo, Lolo. Lolo.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. I build a fire inside the walls of your heart. A warm desire, heading for a new start. There ain't no excuses to keep from falling in love, and I can never get enough. I love you from a beating heart. I love you from a beating heart. When I hold your hand, look into your eyes, I start to realize the power that you have. So many things to say, but no words to explain. Another time and place would ease away the pain. I love you from a beating heart. Yeah, I love you from a beating heart. Yeah, yeah.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it, what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. Come on, say something, I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing, the moment's getting lost. Ain't no time for stopping, so show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me.
Yeah.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are not on me. All the eyes on me.
All the eyes are all on me. about to blow. Another dimension, I already know. I know you can feel it, but what you got yourself into? What you got yourself into? What you got yourself into? I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me.
All the eyes are all on me. I love every move that I make. Get it before it's too late. I've been gonna feel when I wait. If you wanna have it all, I can help that I'm What you got yourself into? I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me.
All the eyes are all on me.
All the eyes on me, all the eyes are all on me.
All the eyes, all the eyes, all the eyes on me.
All the eyes are all on me. All the eyes on me.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it.